just peed in the pool.
Oh my. What do you do on a hot day at Cedar Point? You go to the water park. So I brought my bathing suit, but in case you forgot your bathing suit or maybe something happened, there's other options. They have some pretty good ones. They're really cute actually. This one's 80, and then you have some other cool, really cute options. Their men's are actually only about 37 bucks. It's actually a pretty good price. Oh my goodness, look at those lines. Yeah, we're gonna be doing Lazy River today. No thanks to the lines. Lemmy's walking tacos. Oh my god, those lines. There's big bathrooms. I'm gonna go change. Let's go have some fun now. All changed. Ready for the water park. Now I gotta go find Drew because he is waiting for some people. So we're gonna hang out with some people today. Taylor Schloop, not your normal guy, clearly, always. And then I think Coaster Cat is gonna be hanging out with us as well. And then Dawn to Dusk Adventures will also be with us today. So make sure you guys sign up on that Patreon. Become a member today. And then you can get some one-on-one time with us. We got the link down in the description. As you come into the park, there is lockers straight off to the right. There is 3 different tier prices. There is a standard for 20, large for 25, and a jumbo for 30. Tells you about how much size you need. So we might have to get one later, but right now, I just still have to find Drew. No idea where he is. Well, he thought it was over here in the sand area, but it wasn't. I was in the bathroom changing. I'm gonna go find his stuff, put my stuff down, and then we're gonna go ride some water rides, and we're gonna go in the Lazy River. Look at this fun sand area. You can play volleyball, or you can just sit out and tan. And it's right next to the Lazy River. There's this tunnel though. Drew's up there in that line, but you can't see him. Tell me if you can see him. Taylor's waving. How fun this water park is. Lazy River time. Tube acquired. Here's Taylor. Taylor's on the YouTubes. Look, Drew's on the tube now. Drew's on the YouTube tube. We're on vacation. Not really. Look at our chain of tubes. So this is how you stay cool on a hot day at Cedar Point. Go to Shores. Go swimming. Have fun.
Here we go, buddy!
This is why adult water parks need to be a thing.
That was actually really cool.
Are we going again or are we done?
We got out of Lazy River, grabbed our IDs. We're gonna go head over to the adult bar now. Let's go see if it's open. Let's go see what they have. And we're gonna show you what they have. It's got a swim-up bar. Look how cute. And we get special bracelets because we get checked.
Yep. Alright guys, enjoy.
Thank you. Look at that. It's a swim-up bar. I'm so excited to actually go in the water. They even have a pineapple mojito for Kelly. Water acquired. Except for drink. Taylor got orange water.
Orange water.
Sure got it simply lemonade. These men says this way goes to the wave pool, but I don't believe them. Guess we're gonna see, aren't we? Here we go. Now I believe the men. Well, that is a good, nice little shortcut. So if you're on the other side of the park and you want to avoid the people, go around the back. And here's the other Lazy River. We made it to the wave pool, and if you ever want to, look into renting a cabana. I think they're decently priced, but if you're going to plan to be here all day, it might be worth it to have your nice little spot, because you have all these chairs here that you can leave your spot. Most people won't touch it or bother it, but if you've got a big group, you want to be all together, it might be worth looking into. Wave pool's paused for a moment. Busy day. Oh look, we found a wild Trent. Vlogception. Some what friends of yours?
Very patient friends of mine.
Trent decided to take a nap.
To take a nap, yes.
So that's another thing you could do on a cool day or a hot day.
I know. How weird is that?
What is this nonsense? Look at Trent's new shorts. Fancy, fancy. Trent finally took the shirt off.
Finally, it feels so much better.
We're stuck!
There's Trent and Taylor. Lazy river. I can't see anything. Where all the kids go. Yes, I am wearing my sandals in the lazy river. I somehow got way behind, but now I'm catching up. The men have left me. I'm all by myself now. I'm just hanging out. Just spinning away in the lazy river. They're way ahead of me right now. And I'm still spinning around and around. We're going to the shed, apparently. I tried to avoid it and I still got it. The boys are leaving me. I'm gonna go find them now.
Hydrate.
This one is definitely wavier. Look at us already going. Runaway Rapids. Look at you go. Of course I'll get separated again. What happened? Oh, that lifeguard was on it. She saw some splashing. She went in and tried to save the kid. She was on it. I thought somebody was just kicking each other, but Drew just told me that there was a little child under him swimming.
Literally swimming underneath.
Oh my gosh. These are wild. I'm glad that these buckets weren't on. This river is a lot more intense than the other one. Let's go see what else we did get into. Drew let go of me after I got destroyed, and now I'm spinning, and now it won't stop. Guys, there's water all over the lens. This is great. Goodbye, men. Got water under my contact. I'm just gonna enjoy. I'm gonna enjoy this now. I've been getting behind them, but now I'm ahead of them. Now there's more water, and I'm gonna get drenched again. No! 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 It's never gonna stop. This is where the waves come from.
Under the sea. Under the sea.
Yeah. I'm avoiding the water, and they still splash me. Now they're in front of me. I don't know how this happened. Runaway Rapids right here. Ah! Look at this big crew. They're all over the place. Oh my word! So wavy!
Under the sea.
Wave pool time! Wave of children! I think we've talked about this before in our Kalahari video. Wave pools are literally just waves of children running into you. So let's see how many kids run into me. Dude, these waves are wild. And the water is warm, so that if that says anything. So let's have fun with this. I hate when they blow the whistles because I feel like something's always wrong. I feel like I'm doing something wrong, but I know I'm not. They're going in. Let's see how far I can go in before I drown. They're in there so far.
Just because they have to go all the key in here.
Aww. It's all warm.
It'll be okay.
I can't go, I'm too short! The men have left me and I'm treading water right now.
Hey, but she has a big muscle man here, so it's fine. Strong.
Like let's look at how tall I am.
I'm like a breaches. I'm
On my tiptoes.
flat foot right now.
He's flat foot.
But it's just like deepest I'll go.
I'm flat foot right now. You're further out than I am. I can jump high.
John's flat foot right now.
No, I'm tippy
Just peed in the pool.
Oh my, so I'm at the 4.5 feet right now. Fun. Oh my goodness gracious. So I scoot back a little bit to the 4 feet because I can't make that happen. Goodbye, men. Again. Tell me when you swap too.
I hate this. She does.
This is fun. Rocking back and forth, back and forth. Like, hey, this is what you do in a wave pool, right? You just ride the waves. I might be Johnny. It's fine. Still going. Oh, like the waves just got bigger. And now it's stopped. And the timer has started. Let's see if I can find the men again. Well, I tried right away because they saw a little shirt and they really thought it was a kid. But I'm really glad that they're very, very responsive. He was on it. It was like my time to shine. Well, I'm hungry and we're due for a meal, so I'm gonna go back to Crystal Rock Cafe. So let's go see what they have. Well, I forgot to show you what food was inside, but we ended up getting the Hawaiian grilled chicken. Take a look. Yum! It's got like a pineapple sauce on it. Yummy, yummy. And then we opted for fruit side. Fruit. Well, let's go back and find our friends. Drew and Taylor are going back down again. Look at these silly boys. Taylor just went down. I missed him. Well, that's the end of our day at the water park. We had lots of fun. I got to hang out with the boys. So it started out as a what can you do to cool off during a hot day at Cedar Point. I think this ended up being more of a shores day, which was really fun. Even with how busy it was, it seemed like lines were moving pretty quickly, and there was a lot to do, so. Hey! It's the end of the video, guys. We'll see you next time. Go look at Drew's burnt back. The nice line from his sunglasses. His rat tail.